Hello guys, review smartphone Sony Xperia 10 Plus. Start unpacking, open box and look completation. In completation we have device, okay, and quick guide, USB Type-C cable and adapter for charging. Without headphones completation, only cable and adapter for charging. And now talk about the phone. On the back side we have double camera and LED. On the front side 6.5-inch display. Left side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key, wall keys and fingerprint scanner. Downside USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Upside headphone jack. Okay. Turn on device. Display IPS. Settings, system, about phone, Android 9, and launcher by Sony. Okay. Open Geekbench 4, look resolution display, resolution, and GPU Adreno 509. Display PPA, CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 636, this is octa-core processor 4+4 cores, CPU speed 1.6 GHz and 1.8 GHz. RAM memory 4 GB, internal memory 64 GB. Okay, look results. Tests. Так. CPU test results. Single core score and multi-core score. And GPU test results. Okay. Open next test Antutu benchmark, Antutu score, ranking, look ranking. Compare with 50 place, our device, and 50 place Oppo F7. Test functions, display test, display support 10 touches, very good. Okay, and open the mother game, Guitar San Andreas. Look how Guitar San Andreas work on the device. Graphics settings max. Yeah, game load. Walk smooth. Okay, San Andreas works good. Close this game. And talk about camera. Double camera. 12 plus 8 megapixels is main camera, front camera 8 megapixels. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.